Okay, we're going to continue solving linear inequalities, and we're going to look at inequalities that are double-sided this time. So again, like I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched that, then please go and watch that video before this one, just so you get a bit of a background about what an inequality is. But when we solve an inequality, we solve it in the exact same way we solve a normal equality, i.e. a normal equation. But you have to make sure that you consider the inequality symbol, and you only flip the inequality symbol if you happen to be dividing by a negative number. So, example G, we have 4x plus 3 is greater than 2x plus 9. So let's do change sign. So we have 4x minus 2x is greater than the 9 that's already there, take away 3. So 4x take away 2x gives us 2x, is bigger than 9 take away 3 is 6. Then divide both sides by 2, so we just get x is bigger than 3. Example H. We have 8 minus 3k is greater than or equal to 4 minus k. So let's get all the k's on the left and the numbers on the right. So it gives me minus 3k plus k is greater than or equal to 4 minus 8. So minus 3k plus k is minus 2k, is bigger than or equal to 4 minus 8, which is minus 4. And again, at this stage, we're dividing by a negative. Remember, when we divide by a negative, we flip the inequality symbol around. So that's going to give me k is less than or equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2, which is 2. Example I. We have 5x minus 1. Sorry, 5 bracket x minus 1, I should say, minus 8x is bigger than or equal to minus 11. So a good place to start here is to just start by expanding the brackets. So that's going to give me 5x minus 5 minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 11. So let's change sign and simplify. So that's going to give me 5x minus 8x is bigger than or equal to minus 11 plus 5. So we have minus 3x is bigger than or equal to minus 6. And again, we're dividing both sides by a negative. So divide both sides by negative 3. So we get x is less than or equal to minus 6 divided by minus 3, which is positive 2. And the last example in this section here. We have 8 minus 2 bracket x plus 4 is greater than 11 minus 2 bracket 2 minus x. So nothing for it but just to work through and expand and simplify. So we have 8 minus 2x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 11 minus 4 plus 2x. Okay, so let's get the x's on the left, the numbers on the right. So we have minus 2x minus 2x is greater than or equal to 11 minus 4 plus 8 minus 8. So that's minus 4x is greater than or equal to 11 take away 4 is 7 plus 8, take away 8, just leaves us with 7. And here, again, we're dividing by a negative. So we divide both sides here by -4. But remember, when we divide by a negative, our inequality symbol has to switch round. So we just get x is less than or equal to -7/4. And remember, in National 5, the answers that you'll get won't always be nice whole numbers. And if they end up being horrible fractions like that, then don't try and ever put it as a decimal. Just leave it as a fraction and make sure your answer is simplified. So that's solving inequalities. It's incredibly simple. Key thing is, it's the exact same as solving a normal equation, but thing to watch out for, if you're dividing or multiplying even by a negative, then all you do in that last stage is just flip your inequality symbol around. That's the only difference in solving the equations.